Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to answer the question: is the application for your earbud SOUNDPEATS Air for Lite available on your iPhone? So I already installed the application what SOUNDPEATS offer for the earbuds, and if you open it right here you can see that I already add these earbuds to the application. So, if you don't know how to install and set up this application or how to add these earbuds to this application, you can check that video at this channel. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!